When autumn arrives, there's something magical about stepping outside and feeling that crisp air mixed with the scent of fallen leaves. But even if you only have a small garden or just a few pots by the door, you can still create that cozy fall feeling. Warm tones, soft textures, and plants that thrive as temperatures drop. So today, let's explore 10 cozy fall garden plants that bring charm and beauty to even the tiniest spaces. Let's start with one of the fall favorites, heuchera, or coral bells. This plant is all about foliage drama. With leaves in shades of amber, deep burgundy, or even frosted silver, it adds warmth instantly. It's perfect for small containers, or as a border in a shady corner. Pair it with ornamental grass or miniature conifers for an irresistible fall combo. Sedum is the plant that keeps on giving. As summer fades, its flower clusters turn from pale pink to a warm coppery red, catching every bit of golden autumn light. It's low maintenance, drought-tolerant, and thrives in pots or sunny spots. Sedum, autumn joy, or matrona are classic choices, adding structure and texture to your garden design. They even look lovely when the flowers dry, leaving behind sculptural seed heads that stay beautiful through winter. You can't talk about fall without mentioning chrysanthemums. Their cheerful blooms in gold, orange, or soft blush are the ultimate fall statement. Garden mums thrive in containers, and the trick is to pinch them back in summer, so they stay compact and full of blooms come autumn. They instantly bring life to porches and patios, and pair beautifully with pumpkins or rustic wooden decor. A few pots of mums can transform even a small space into a cozy, inviting nook. If you want color and texture that lasts well into frost, ornamental kale is your secret weapon. Its rosette shape and rich tones, from green and white to deep purple, make it a standout. It loves cool weather and actually looks better as the temperature drops. Mix it in a pot with pansies or dusty miller for a soft, layered look that feels both fresh and seasonal. Plus, it's nearly indestructible. Truly a set-and-forget fall plant. These little charmers are the backbone of fall color. Their happy faces bloom through chilly days and can even bounce back after a light frost. In small gardens, pansies and violas fill the gaps between larger plants and add splashes of color everywhere. Choose warm tones like amber, plum, or cream for that autumn palette. They're simple, classic, and always cozy, like the floral version of a favorite blanket. Ajuga is one of those underrated ground covers that absolutely shines in fall. Its bronze-purple foliage gives a beautiful contrast to the yellows and oranges around it. It grows low and spreads gently, making it perfect for edging pots or filling small nooks between stones. In spring, it rewards you with little blue flowers. But in fall, it's all about that warm, glowing foliage that keeps your garden rich in texture. This grass adds movement and light. The yellow-green stripes catch the low autumn sun, creating a soft shimmer that instantly warms the mood. Carex Evergold stays compact, so it's perfect for containers or small shaded areas. Combine it with darker plants like heuchera or ajuga, and you'll get a layered, designer look that feels intentional but effortless. Hardy cyclamen is one of fall's hidden treasures. Just when most flowers fade, its delicate pink or white blooms appear, hovering above marbled heart-shaped leaves. It thrives in dappled shade and naturalizes over time, making it ideal for woodland-style corners or under shrubs. Each bloom feels like a tiny surprise, a reminder that beauty in the garden doesn't end with summer. If you love plants that smell as good as they look, creeping thyme is your friend. It forms a fragrant carpet of tiny evergreen leaves, staying lush even through cool weather. You can plant it between stepping stones or along the edge of pots. Every time you brush against it, the scent is just pure comfort. Earthy, herbal, and perfectly cozy for autumn evenings outdoors. For structure and year-round greenery, miniature conifers are unbeatable. Varieties like dwarf spruce or pine add height and permanence to your small garden setup. They anchor your containers visually and look stunning when surrounded by seasonal color. Add a string of fairy lights or place them beside pumpkins, and suddenly your tiny fall garden feels like a magical forest corner. So even if you don't have acres of space, you can still capture the beauty and warmth of fall. With just a few pots, some color contrast, and cozy textures, your garden can become a tiny autumn sanctuary, a place to slow down, sip something warm, and just breathe in the season.